I click on Tosca. This is Tosca Commander. But I can go by from here as well. I click on this icon and search Tosca Commander. We have used this. This is very important topic, Tosca Commander. So I am opening it from here. So you see it's opening. It will take some time. This is Tosca Commander. We have opened Tosca Commander. So let us see how the execution of automation test case is done in Tosca using the example which is already available with this tool Tosca. Let us go to first step, which is the link. So this is the link, first step. You need to click on it. Or you can, yes. Now it will give you insight of already built example that will give you overview of how Tosca works. After first step link is clicked, we get new window which contains example test cases of automation. So we are waiting for it. It is taking some time. We have clicked on it and it is taking some time. Window is not open. It will close on. Now you can see this is example set that is available. It's already ready-made example that is available in Tosca. Here are the steps. Open sample exam application. Then maximize browser. Then main menu will open. Vehicle data, insurance data, product data, and price option and send code. All these details are filled. So what I will do, I will click on this and select run in a Scratchbook F6, or I can click on F6 button as well. You have to click on run me link, or you can click on F6 button, or you can to run the automated test case. It will just give overview of how the automated test case script performs various operations on the application and performs all the actions automatically from the scripts created. Here the example script is already created, and since the script is already created, we just need to see how it performs action on the application given in this website. We can clearly see in this example how our application automated test case is getting executed in the application and also generating the result. Let us see it in live demo. After we click on the given link, browser Internet Explorer opens and perform all the action on the application according to the script prepared. We do not need to bother about the script at the moment. We will just see how the script is getting executed and performing action on the application and getting result in the Tosca tool. You can also open the following URL in the browser. This is the sample application that will be executed. it is a ready-made built-in example. We will make our example once we will learn about access scan. So just for now, we are we are looking at how automation works in Tosca. So this is already ready-made built-in example. I have to right-click on it and run in Scratchbook. So you can see it's starting to work. It takes, you can see here, window has appeared. You can see elapsed time, remaining time. It is showing here. This means that execution is in progress. You can see elapsed time is appearing. Now you can see window opened and browser maximized. Browser window maximized. And now you can see it is filling the form, entering vehicle data. You can see enter product data and send code. All these execution have been done. It is so fast. Sending email failed because it's not online email server not installed. That is not an issue because we are concerned with the execution of the result. So you can see enter vehicle data, enter insurance data, enter product data and send code. All these are we are doing through Tosca automation script. You can see in Tosca, you can see the result after execution. See all the results are passed. Vehicle data, insurance data, product data, price option set code. All these which is available here is has passed successfully. All the values has been entered. All these values has been entered. All these values has been entered. Start time, execution duration, all these information are here. So this is how Tosca executes automation test case. Now this is ready-made example. Now we will create our own example. With the help of recorder, I am closing this window. Now I'm going to home and I am just recording one screen. This one only for just to show how we record and run a script in Tosca. How script is created. Actually, basically, when I'm saying script, it's not like a script because there is nothing like a script in Tosca, and it is one of the biggest advantage of Tosca that we do not need a script here. So let us see. I will automate this page. So let us see how we will do it. Now, since this script, it has to be recorded. So I have opened this script, and now I will be recording this automated test case. This is recorder. It is located at right top, and you see it's loading recorder. Now one more thing which I wanted to show you. That browser extension is not installed. So you need to install browser extension for Tosca. Same applies for Internet Explorer as well. So you have to apply this extension. Tosca automation extension for Chrome has been added now. You can see recording has started. Now now it has captured this. Resume. I'm clicking Audi. Oh, yes. So it takes time actually. There is no need to make haste. Cancel. I recorded this event. Price $333. License number 3425. Annual mileage 20. Now I have recorded this page. Now I have come to another page. But now I have recorded this. All these events. I have filled one form and now I am done with it, and now I will stop recording. For stopping the recording, in order to stop the recording, I am clicking on stop and save because I have filled one first page form. I am clicking on save. Now what will happen? The script will be recorded here. You can see This is recorded test case, which I have recorded just now. Now what I will do, I will run it. Again run in Scratchbook. So you see first page has opened automatically. You see I selected Audi. You can see everything what I did. It clicked on next and it clicked on everything. All the steps which I did is reflected here, and after clicking on next I was directed to this page, and you can see this page is again appearing, and now you can see the result. This is a Scratchbook, and you can see URL was opened. It took 2 seconds almost, and I entered data. You can see all these data. How much time it took to enter number of seats. This field. I am going to show you all the fields once again. This is make. This is make field. This is MDDYYY. This is fuel type. You can see here. All the info list price. I entered list price as well. License plate number, annual mileage. License plate number, annual mileage. Then I clicked on next link. So you can see in this way you can create script in Tosca. So you can see how easy it is to work in Tosca. You can create a number of recorded test cases and run them. So it's very easy. And for managing all those test cases, we need test executor, which is not available in trial version. But you just need to add all the test cases in XML file and run that in Tosca executor. So the basic idea is, main thing is to create test cases, and you have seen how easy it is to create a test case in Tosca using recorder tool. We do not need any script. We do not need anything. We just need to record it properly, and we are able to record the test cases. We are able to execute test cases. We are able to get the result. Everything. So this is how we automate test case in Tosca. Thank you.